guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to write your first program in Java. So to do that, you will need a class, and to create a class in IntelliJ you need a project. I already created this project behind the scenes, so I'll do a quick guide on how to create one. So to create a project, you click on File, navigate to New Project. Now it's a Java project we're going to create, or you'll be creating. So select Java. This is a version of Java we're using. Click Next. If you want your project to be created from a template, you can tick this box, but since I don't want one, I'll uncheck it and go to Next. You give your project a name, then you click on Finish. Since I already created one, I won't be creating a new project, so I'll cancel this. So you click on the Projects tab and you right click, navigate to New Java class. Now I'll be naming our app HelloWorld. HelloWorld. Our class has been created. And remember, you can't write your code in Java without a class. So we need to have a class for us to be able to write our program in Java. So here a main method is required, which is public static void main string. This is where your program starts. This is where Java starts reading your program from. Now that we've gotten our class HelloWorld and we've gotten our main method, we're going to start writing what we want our program, which is the HelloWorld, to do. So for this program, we want it to print hello. Hello. So what I want this program to do is to output this message, hello world. And every statement, this is a statement, this is a Java statement, and it ends with a semicolon. Every statement you write in Java ends with a semicolon. So we're going to run this to see the output. Run. And here's our output, hello world. Now let's try to write something else here. Hello there, and run it to see. See, our output changes to hello there. Now we're done with our first program.